Okay, so this is a, resistor for the blower on a Ford Fiesta SES 2012. Looked online, couldn't really find any instructions on where it is, but on the North American model, it is on the right hand side of the car, which is the passenger side. It's behind that panel. I've already replaced it. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, a stubby Torx, that's a T20, a flashlight, and a mirror. And we're gonna start with removing that Phillips screw from that clip. Mine was stripped out, so I pulled on it and it broke the plastic tab. Like I said, I already replaced mine. But once you pull out that Phillips screw, this whole piece just slides right out. Whoops. Comes right out. Once you've done that, that little kick panel, that plastic cover, is gonna pop out from the front. And you just pull along the bottom, and there's some plastic tabs, little springs in here. You can see right there where it was bowing. And you can see where they press into, and they're just little plastic clips that hold it in. Like I said, I broke mine for where that screw attaches. We'll move that out of the way. My car's a mess, it's my work car. Okay, so up in here is the motor for the blower, and in the back corner there is the wire harness. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Let's see, maybe this way. There's the harness for the resistor, and so you squeeze the tabs, comes right out. Just kind of pull, work it loose. You can see it's a 4-pin, like I said, North American 2012 Ford Fiesta SES. And then the real fun part, and why you need a short, stubby Torx with ratcheting, little mini ratchet, 1/4 inch. Find them at, Harbor Freight. I think mine's a Chapman, but I think they got them at Sears if Harbor Freight doesn't. Anyway, back here where the connector is, there are some Torx screws. You can see one there. I don't really have a way to hold the camera with a light, so back there you'll feel where the pins are at. Sorry guys, maybe I'll tuck the camera in there. But you can see there's a Torx screw right there. There's one on the opposite side, and that's the connector. So you get those two Torx screws out and swap out your part. Then to reinstall it, these plastic pins just press right back in. It's pretty straightforward. Just bring the cover in with the bottom side first, and then snap them into place. It's easier with two hands, and it's easier with a phone that doesn't have